Yeah, I'm back. I have actually finally put my disc brake conversion kit on this car, on the Nova. You can see the master cylinder. I painted it candy apple red. I'm not putting it on yet because I'm going to redo the whole back and possibly the lines going to the back, because might as well do it all. Yeah, you can see a little bit of rust. It's been raining a lot here lately, and I've been doing this outside, so yeah. But yeah, I didn't change the A-arms yet because I just didn't have the money yet, and I've been wanting to drive it. It's been at least 2 years since I've been able to actually drive it and not worry about anything. So I'm tired of not driving it. So I'm doing that for now. When I get the money, I'm going to do the 2 A-arms and redo the whole bushings and everything. But right now, I'm getting it to where I can actually drive it and take it down the drag strip. Tire's a little low. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to do the back. I'm going to get the kit for the whole back of the drums, all the hardware and everything, because I'm tired of messing with the brakes. I don't want to have to mess with the brakes anymore. And been running the Nova rallies for 14-inch. It's very close clearance, so I'll keep you posted on that. Right now, it don't seem to be scraping when I turn it, but I'm going to take it down the road when I get it going, and then take them off and find out, because I really don't want that scraping or anything. I mean, they're that close, so I'll keep you posted on that. And we'll see you. Bye.